How to send anonymous message in Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to send anonymous message in Facebook Messenger app. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, go ahead and launch Messenger app on your device. Log into your account. You can randomly open any chats and suppose if you send any message to this user, then they will know that I have sent the message. But if you don't want the receiver to know that you are sending the message, then what you can do is simply you need to get back from this conversation and select three line icon at top left corner. Select gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down. Tap on switch account and first you have to log out from this device account. And once you do that, you need to create a new profile with a random username, or if you already have an extra account with different username, then you can use that profile too. So all that you have to do is open the new account and search for the name whom you wanna send a message or anonymous message, and then they won't be able to know that you have sent message on Facebook Messenger. That is how we can easily send anonymous message in Facebook Messenger. Hope this guide was helpful. Please like, share and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.